Hey everybody, welcome to Joel's Kitchen. The network's approved us for a second season. Same low production quality, same low food quality. Let's get cooking. What started out as a meme has apparently just become what I eat. So today, we're using zucchini as a substitute for our noodles. Because fuck everything. Alright, I got it cut up. It says to put it in a colander, but who needs that when you can put it in a big fucking heap on a plate? It'll kill the germs when these go in the oven, right? Okay, so we're chopping some peppers right now, but I already put the meat on without reading. So we gotta go lightning fast because I gotta put these on after 5 minutes. And oh god, oh fuck, it's burning on one side. I gotta move it. Shit, oh fuck. So we've added our onions and green peppers to the beef. Now we have to add tomato paste and tomato sauce. You guys want to see me do the can opener gag? No, it's pretty old, so I'm not going to do that. The recipe also calls for wine. It also says we need to put wine in the sauce. Now that we've got the sauce made, we're on to our next step. Now, because as we all know, and we all know this, ricotta cheese is nasty as hell and should never be eaten, we're going to make something different.
Welcome to Joel's Kitchen. Today's recipe within a recipe is tofu ricotta. Enjoy!
Welcome to my ASMR channel. Today, we're crushing up tofu with our hands. Listen to that. Yum. Have eggs always gone into lasagna? Because I never remember. Today's episode is sponsored by Appalachian Mountain Brewery. Or Appalachian, if you like that. Have their, not a double IPA. It's a double IPA. Oh, wait. Ogres are like lasagnas. They taste bad. Alright, she's in, folks. Now I forgot to grease the pan before I got started. So place your bets now on how bad that's going to be. My guess is somewhere from a mild inconvenience to burn the house down. But guess we'll see. Alright, and we're done. Let's give it a try. Alrighty, we got our lasagna here. Doesn't look very good, but you know, first slice, worst slice. That's how it goes when you're cutting something. Let's give it a try. That's not bad. You know, textures are a bit different. You can taste the spinach, but it's not bad. I think the tofu's better than ricotta cheese, but you know, sand would be better than ricotta cheese. Anyway, thanks for watching Joel's Kitchen tonight, and I'll see you later, probably sooner rather than later, because I got stuff that's about to go bad in my fridge. Anyway, good night.